This is a Nohlster clip, the fastest and most secure way to protect your tools. In this video, I'll show you how easy it is to install these clips. I'll introduce you to the expanding product line, and I'll explain why this small investment in your safety and convenience is worth it. Have you ever dropped your tools while working? Do you hate wearing a bulky tool belt? Are you frequently changing bits? Well, I answered yes to those questions, and if you did too, I think you'll also benefit from the security and convenience of the Nohlster clip. The unique spring action lever and included bit holder improves my tools and has led to the creation of other brand new accessories. Let's get into the lineup and unboxing. Nohlster clips are available in a 1-pack, 3-pack, 5-pack, and even the new 12-pack. As I mentioned earlier, I think you should view these clips as an investment. Currently, the pricing is $24.99 for 1, $49.99 for 3, $64.99 for 5, and $119.99 for 12. I know that might sound expensive at first, but as you buy more, the unit price comes down and you can protect more of your tools. At least for me, spending $10 a clip to protect a drill that's between $100 and $200 is a good deal. And it's an even better deal if you think about how this can make your job site safer and prevent damage or injury from falling tools. Every package comes with this info card to help with installation, a baggie with the clip and a bit holder already attached, and another bag with the hardware to accommodate most models and brands of power tools. For this video, let's upgrade the clips on this Ryobi Impact and M12 screwdriver. When tightening the clip, make sure the anti-rotation teeth firmly bite into the plastic. For some tools, you'll need to use one of the two small adapter plates that are provided. The Gen 1 M12 tools, like this screwdriver, need this adapter plate to hold the clip in a better position. Now that the clips are installed, let's test them out, starting with the Ryobi. At first, you might be worried about the additional width of the Nohlster at the base and the extra action you'll have to do to attach it to yourself. I'll admit there might be a slight learning curve, but after 5 to 10 practices, it's just like muscle memory. Even my mom has tested them out and she likes it. One of the few things you might notice about the M12 screwdriver is that the clip is a bit further out of reach than the 18-volt tools. But once again, just practice switching grips for a bit and it will get easier. Moving on to the bit holder. This is called the groove nub because of the unique nubs inside the bit slots. This material is a flexible rubber that grips a variety of bits very well. This bit holder is optimized for 2-inch bits, but 1-inch ones fit very snug as well. Whether you're jumping around or upside down, I don't think these bits will fall out. For larger battery tools like the Ryobi, the bit holder is next to the grip. You might be worried longer bits will interfere with your grip, but I haven't experienced that. The M12 screwdriver setup does have one minor issue. The lower half of the bit holder does slightly block the forward and reverse switch. Luckily, the bit holder is removable. Just carefully rotate the bit holder out of its locked position, and then you can slide it out of the clip. With the bit holder removed, the forward and reverse buttons are now unobstructed. Let's do a quick comparison test with the stock counterparts. Up first, the standard Ryobi clip. The length and width of this metal clip doesn't provide a very secure fit. By jumping up and down, I was able to knock it off my belt. I know jumping like that is kind of extreme, but if you bend over a lot, climb up and down ladders, or your drill bumps into something, it can fall off. By switching to the Nohlster clip, they attach just as fast, yet the teeth provide a super secure fit. Now let's compare the M12 clips. I've never been a fan of these small M12 clips. They don't grip on very tightly, and I've actually tried to avoid using them over the years. Once again, the Nohlster clip attaches just as fast and provides a much more secure fit. Several months ago, Scott, the founder of Nohlster, reached out to me to create some Nohlster compatible organizer bins. As of today, I've designed and currently sell 4 different styles of bins. They're compatible with these 3 systems: Milwaukee PACKOUT, Rigid Pro Gear 2.0, and Dewalt Tough System 2.0. The 4 different styles of bins are PETG Basic, PETG with 2 bit holders, TPU Basic, and TPU with 2 bit holders. PETG bins are hard, just like the normal organizer bins. But TPU is a flexible material. These bins are great if you frequently are on the go and might bump into walls, countertops, or doorways. When I was creating these bins, I had several goals I wanted to accomplish. If you carry fasteners in an organizer box like this one, you don't have very many options. You can either awkwardly hold the bin or have to transfer the screws back and forth from your bags. So, to help minimize poking yourself and dropping screws on the ground, I created a PACKOUT organizer bin. Now, with the bin, you can add storage capacity to your existing tool bags, switch and put it on a side that might not have any, or ditch the tool belt altogether and have a lightweight setup. Another way I improved upon the pretty simple concept of a fastener bin was by adding different bit holders. You can store a 2-inch and a 1-inch and the lid will still close. If you are currently using another storage system and want organizer bins, let me know in the comments and I'll see what I can do. Other expansions to the Nohlster product line are Nohlster Arc Rings. Part of what makes Nohlster clips hold so tight are the 2 teeth on the inside. But since they bite down so hard, beware of using the clip directly with soft fabrics. For example, I'm currently wearing Brunt Castello shorts that are perfect for summer, but the fabric is thinner than my jeans. The Nohlster Arc Ring uses heavy-duty Velcro to wrap around most sizes of belts. The curved ring also provides a convenient and optimized location to attach your Nohlster clip. Another product I've designed is the Nohlster Toughbuilt Adapter. If you aren't familiar with Toughbuilt tool belt products, they have a release mechanism to quickly switch out bags and other accessories. You can buy additional cleats to put on your tool belt, but if you ever want to have a tool belt free setup, the Nohlster Toughbuilt Adapter is a convenient way to achieve that. Another important accessory is the wall mount. In addition to being available in multiple colors, this mount has been optimized for the Nohlster clip. As I just mentioned, the metal teeth on the clip can be pretty vicious. For optimal longevity with these plastic mounts, press the lever and then release it when the drill is fully on. Another optimization is the spacing from the wall. Now you can access the lever and release your tool. A continuation of the wall mount is the PACKOUT rail adapter. If you use PACKOUT boxes and create a mobile workstation like I do, then these rail mounts are a convenient spot to store your Nohlster accessories when not in use. Scott and I are currently working on several other ideas, but are excited to hear more concepts. Please comment down below if you have an idea we should create. In addition to your standard drills and impacts, Nohlster clips can be attached to much more, like tape measures. My 3D printed mounts do work with more traditional belt clips, like the one on this Milwaukee tape measure, but the combination of my 3D printed mount and the Nohlster clip is a super secure yet convenient way to store your tools. Another tool I'm upgrading to a Nohlster clip is this Dewalt hand stapler. Although this technically isn't a tested and supported tool, there is a screw in the hardware bag that works. It is a little bit long, so I'm using a 632 nut as a spacer. The pre-applied thread locker definitely helps with this unique tool setup, and is another high quality aspect to Nohlster products. Although the Nohlster clip is a bit bulkier than the stock one, I think the added function and security is worth it. Let's do one final test with the arc ring. I'll admit the stock clip works better than some, but the speed and security of the Nohlster clip is one of a kind. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in getting your own Nohlster/WeiheDesigns products, I'll have my website linked down below. Also, if you got this far in the video, use this special code at checkout. I'd appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe for more of my content. See ya!